Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to get your Schoology update screen to look similar to this with a cute little picture and some interactive buttons that your students can use to access certain things. So for this one, this was just like a sample that I made. I don't have things linked for most of them, but I do have something linked for the Meet Miss Adams. So when students click on that, it brings them to my Meet Miss Adams PowerPoint, and it actually puts it in present mode. So I can tell you how to do that another time if you would like to figure that out as well. But students can click on these buttons and have like an interactive page instead of just the regular Schoology page. So what you have to do is you can use Google Slides or PowerPoint, whatever you're most comfortable with. If you want to do a cute picture virtual classroom background, the easiest way to do that is to just Google virtual classroom backgrounds like I did here and choose which one you like. And they have a ton of them that you can use. And you can just copy that picture or save that picture and put it into your Google Slides. So what I have here is the background that I've chosen. And this is an image, and I also wanted to add myself to it using my Bitmoji. So I have another image that I'm adding on top of one. So you won't be able to use this like it is. You'll have to save this as an image altogether. So I went ahead and wanted to type in something to put on the whiteboard. So I'm going to place it where I want it. And like I said, this all needs to be one image for you to insert it into Schoology. So what you're going to have to do is either take a screenshot or use the snipping tool to choose just what you want. And so when you do that on the Windows, you can use your snipping tool and just choose what you want out of it. So then you'll end up with this picture, and that's what you can use to put directly into Schoology. So what you do is when you go to Schoology and you go to materials, you can make a page. I'm going to make a new page to show you this. You can add your page. I'm going to say sample, and I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. I'm going to press Control C to copy this. And then I'm going to go back to Schoology and I'm going to paste it in to my page. The next thing that I'm going to do is make the interactive buttons. You can do this by just making shapes on PowerPoint, whether you want a square, a circle, whatever shape you want your button to be. You can make the shape. You can change the color. I'm going to do this one purple. You can easily just type into this shape and put a title on it, or you can add a picture to the shape if that's what you would like best. But once again, this has to be, and I'm going to order these differently so that my Bitmoji shows up. Once again, this has to be a picture to go into Schoology. So I'm going to take a screenshot of it, a snip of that specific thing, and I'm going to put it in. Put it back into my PowerPoint as a picture that is together. So I can also Control C, copy that, and under this picture, I can add in that one. So let's say I wanted to link this and make it an interactive button to another slideshow or something. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go up here to this chain link, and I'm going to click link, and I can add the URL that I want to do. So I'm just going to put Meet Miss Adams again. So I'm going to copy, Control C, this URL. I'm going to go back to Schoology. I'm going to type it in. I'm going to hit insert. I'm going to have this unpublished, and I can create this as many buttons as I would like. I can add another one. I'm just going to do the same one, but you can change it up and add them. The one thing about it, though, is that sometimes they don't line up perfectly. So you might want to go down and add a table with multiple pieces so that you can add the buttons in and they can be organized nicely. But I'm going to create this. Only the first button is linked, but I can go to my sample page and I can use that link to go to my slides. The final thing is that you can, from this page, you can have students navigate to this page and have it as a weekly page where they come, or you can also add it to the updates like I had the other one, so that it is on that front page when they log in. So to do that, you can go to your page, you can go to edit page, and what you're going to do is you're just going to select all of it, Control C to copy it, or right click to copy, save changes to get out of it, go back to updates, and you can just paste it right in here, post, and your hyperlinks will work from there as well.